we have ensured that no construction will be allowed. And hence, even though environmentally the laws are allowing it, the tourism department has taken a firm stand and put it in the agreement that no construction will be allowed in that particular island.
Lakot ikasnong nongi kwayo sngo bahan ikasnong de lakot kalayat dikila pen sngo hinasnong iki mat jongki ki if they keep apprehensions jongki ruki don hi convey bet yaki ka stand jong tourism department manginam don ka construction
te kumalong menta kani ka project kum kilai perkhat kum kilai plan kade ki ka ban penmi ki kam ki jam jong ki breu jong hi ki bon bha ki jing bha ki bala banwan kane kawai ka project bi don mentang ne pb ru kayat bet ka tulun bet ka kam ki bon ki local pila ban pet yang to kan ungut ki ba yo kam to bon ki local hi.
Government has made it clear in the agreement that no structure is going to be allowed in the island.
Kanu ka commercial unit ka bawan hang ni hakajalla kadon kata kendon ka 90% of non-managerial posts kan led shaki locals, 50% managerial posts ru kan led shaki local. Other than that, kashulang tang kata let us work together and let us promote our state for good things to come in the future for our youths and all other categories.
Namarba ka ka bapi amnod ngiru hang ni Shuaban take up yung project. Day ban shoot ho bakla. Habang yung warra yaki investment. Habang yung warra yaki bakum kini ki project. Nget yang nga opi kabakadu ka jing mantoy. Kanlong yang ki kon sama.
So I hope with this small clarification that the concerns of the citizens will be addressed. Thank you very much.
Hadin Chief House nem ilai luti ke Klik Tersi Secondary School West Giant Hill District wo i chakri langba itip istad hapo ipat ipalai ka dorbar chnong Klik Tersi na do wasenya ka ne ka sngi deman ka sngi wo sa kan mo ya ka skoro kamjo ya ka chnong Klik Tersi heiwa hadin ibiang ka pas percentage yong ki khna wa yakun examine SSLC MBOS na usnem cha usnem hauni usnem darap ku chu ka ni ka skor langba u khon ro ka chnong Klik Tersi hi u la khon dakhar wa da pas baha ha result SSLC MBOS araja apon ru de we yo distinction hawaro ki subject we yo ule phra phon ru point phra pholi percent kamte he to wagni ka nam ka buram ni ka sngi ni liang ka dorbar chnong Klik Tersi chirup ki wasikai de lang MDC ka thain umadon bayram bai wa manle wa sen wasdang ya ka ni ka skor de chim ki ka benta open kup buram ya ula khon dakhar wa ki witawan ki khat songut wa da pas hag result SSLC yung news nem he wana perdigi ni songut to ki yo hekerdan First Division day lang ki distinction haki subject wa pair katwa katwi ngut wan ki yo hay Second Division haki yalang pengkup buram wa pelai do kit bok rembai wa hechnong Klik Tersi chimule galat wa pen ebok nasib ya ula khon dakhar yo nangku chu u chaprang hay pure puthi we ki wi wan ki prakhana skor le upat ki ya nong muna yong o Umadon by rembai MDC amwi Klik Tersi uwa daman le kamu kongsan hagani kesngi hawa kelam dap udai singa kumen wo yo ya kaskuru wada embentau hewo senyo sedang ku go nakisnem jakisnem hawa pen ebok nasib ya waro ki wada pas ya ke SSLC kham tam ya ula khon dakhar wada lebha ongu wa uni ukhna da pen yo wa ido khanglat ko yo upoi chakman kam wanu nagayung waduna iyo ila hawa yaro le ye kamram ki wasikai ki wada yakre chitam lang yo ku kani kaskur kentu yaki le yo man ki waye usnen kentu yaki khna skur lang ba iru komman wa bahawa miat yongki niliang ula khon dakhar hawa kalam pan singya o isnyango yo waro ki wasikai yong o ki wada sikai da yarab yo nodo iklas wa khian hado wo poi wa gani kathong neite da singyango o ya gabai ki wa yung hasem ro yong o kamju yo blai ongu Yesu ke liang deu yawaro ki wada embenta uyarap kerchan yo hawa kalam snen yaki prakhana skuru kentu yaki yole bahagi hei pure kat wi wala kham tam he to wa ipen kre yak MBOS exam de wa yuluti wa ki le job upoi ki hakathong wada mang hawa pen kenmu ye MKam uman ki wa emburam man biang por kre chitam we le tikna ye kamram pen kudu de wa ong le i wa bahatam he im he wadaw yo le yakanong kenliang Chua ini ni liang headmistress ke skuru ke Juliana Rengklem pentip ke wa house nem arhajar khatnya wa yakun examine MBOS SSLC nengkong ke ni ke skur diyo ke cispa persen ke pas percentage house nem arhajar khat pra le cispa persen ke pas percentage Nei te haus nem arjar khat khande wan de yogi prapon ru persen, hau araja arpau nya bosan persen, hau araja arpau wi khande pau persen, hau araja arpau ar so pau persen, hau araja arpau le chispa persen, hau araja arpau su nya bo pra persen, hau araja arpau san chispa persen, we hau news nem arja arpon ru wan nya bosan persen. Nei wo onggale uni usnem man usnem wakmentam nei baha wa hakalang kho dap chipau snem ka secondary school mi sa iwi ikemen ye ka skor lang baga result SSLC ula kondakhar nei liang ka darbar chnong hakani ka sngi de pangkup buram harro ko ye waro ke wasikai skor kam kadak i buram isnyangu ye chakri yangki
If you are a heavy stress,
Please go. Fagatus awar gif na kahap discuss yung kaya kung meron kung may full sila
baca ni baca ni biar
Miss Kini the right.
It's time to cheers, celebrate the moment, loud and clear. Happy smile and joy in the air. Achievement shines beyond compare. We'll achieve the future bright. Let's sing together, pure delight. Happy vibes all around. Celebrate success and make us proud. Clap your hands, stamp your feet. Victory is sweet and joy complete. Gather around, let the laughter fly. Embrace the success, reach for the sky. You have made it now, you are a rock star. Shine so bright, near and far. Here is to you, glowing is so bright. Seize this moment, enjoy its ride. Congratulations, it's time to cheers. Celebrate the moment, loud and clear. Happy smile and joy in the air. Achievement shines beyond compare.
Kaya ganigi infrastructure ini kuang giga school building. The orang giga school building is not only for the institution to build the education, but we have to build the nation. The need a starting young people for your future career, to build the nation. Kani to MKM ko hado kata-kata ya pi ni bah yoluti to man ko hagata gadu. Tengah le ye ni snya kwa yo uklam to kau MDC. I on behalf of the elder kamongan ni wa he payu san pun yong pi woman wa kata kejingkit le. Wa yo uklam ini le the chipon gi waro kunongkong ke contribution ko are the biggest achievement. Ketenga ini man snya yero lango ya gi go jo iklam kami diwa curup wei kam wei state la kalam itu iktem kalam kam kamanuman la tengah kumo biang itu tu iktem wa kalam la kanangu la de be upam ye gi nga hanrei na to gi nong ika yong citangi de e gi nga ke jing hikai ke foundation ko wanga kumo de ba do iting kre citomi do hard working hi te ye man succeed la dem hard working ha kanu bentale ye poi agata gadur ko wa ujo ke percaya dengan ini ko wa wang sgawi kani to ko wi na ka prestigious yang lakhan dekar tawro ini ko wa tap silangi kini ki kena citang wa bang ba tap si yo katnele to negasni mod the creative for the creator village. Kini tau tapti, we are proud. Lakhan Dekar the topper score all distinction, all subject in a distinction mark, and at the same time secure 86.3%. Kini tau senyaman ko MKM ini, kam ginong song tenong ko IM kini kecenong.
Dear beloved teachers of mine, my heart is full of gratitude to all of you, especially my secondary teachers who have taken good care of me. I am also filled with the highest gratitude for the teachers of upper primary and lower primary school who have shaped my knowledge in the early years of my studies. Then, my greatest gratitude goes to my mother, who have given me hard love, care, protect, and support. The family is the true happiness of any man in his life. As Michael J. Fogg said that, family is not an important thing, it's everything. Now all of you who have given me love to the point that I have wondered about those who brought me here. It is not I, myself. I cannot repay all of you at all. To you, my dearest friends, my heart is overflowed with love, and I want to encourage all of you to do the best you can in preparing your coming board examination. I hope that you will do well and may you achieve success, and that you will fondly look back to all the years of your endeavors. Before I go back to my seat, I just want to share with you 4 essential things. That is discipline, hard work, punctuality, and regularity, just as they have helped me. So here my conclusion statement to you is that give your best to the world and the world will give it back to you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
That students have participated in the examination, MPOS examination. In the year 2017, we have the first batch of the MPOS SSLC examination, and here we get the result of 100%. In 2018, 100%, 2019, 86%, 2020, 75%, 21, 90%, 22, 40%, 23, 100%, 24, 78%, 25, 100%, 26, 75%. And this year marked the 10th year of our SSLC MPOS result. And we are all overwhelmed with pride and joy to celebrate this Jubilee year. And this year, we have another reason to celebrate because Nakhon Dakar has taken our school to its highest joy of celebration by securing distinction in all subjects with 86.83%. Nakhon has been a student here right from his grassroots level. He did his nursery and class 5 to class 5 at Chitang LP School, completed his class 6 to class 8 here at Tritachi Upper Primary School, and finally done his SSLC from here, the beloved secondary school of our village. So on behalf of the teachers of LP section, UP section, and secondary section, I take this golden opportunity to offer my heartiest congratulations to Nakhon and wish him a success in life. Along with him, we have 3 other students with first division and distinctions, and the rest stood at second division, and we wish them all the same a great success in life. But I can't shut down myself without congratulating my dearest teachers who have been the pillars of our secondary school. Their obedience, hard work, and wholehearted dedication have made the smooth running of the school. For without them, nothing can be done by myself. Congratulations, my dear teachers, and keep up the good work. I also congratulate the Wahechnong and all the members of Dorbarchong Tritachi for being the brain behind the scenes, who bore the burden of responsibility in running the school wholly without any outside aids available, and who never failed to respond to any grievance that I have brought in front of them. So you all deserve a big congratulations from us, the secondary section. So without further ado, I call upon Mr. Mdor to give us a welcome speech. Thank you.